Hi everyone, welcome back to FBM Fox. In this video, we're going to go over how you can manage the orders that you get from your TikTok shop. So the way to do that is basically go into app.fbmfox.com and then click on orders. You'll be led to this page right here. And next, you just want to hit fetch TikTok shop. So what this does is it fetches all your TikTok shop orders. And right here, I've got like 3 orders. And here will be the buyer info. And of course, this will all be blurred out. So in this video, you won't be able to see it, but on your screen, you'll be able to see it. And for each of these orders, you can click view on TikTok shop and it'll lead you to the exact page where the orders are at. So this is the exact page of the order. And you can see that I earned about $49. So my net payment was about 49 bucks. And how do you basically fulfill this thing? So once you get the order, you can find this product in your FBM Fox account. It's the Damp Rid Fresh Scent Hanging Moisture Absorber. So once you know where to find that product, because if you listed it with FBM Fox, it should be in your product section right here. Now, once you find that product, you can go to your supplier. So I actually purchased this product from Amazon.com. And if I go into my orders, I actually shipped this product out to the buyer, and the buyer wanted 2 of these products. So it cost me a total of $27.56, right? And we earned $49.76 on it. So how you can calculate profit using FBM Fox is you just want to click on edit and scroll down and click and just paste the supplier cost in here. So it cost me $27.56. And remember, the net revenue that we earned after all TikTok fees was $49.76. So on this single order, we earned $22 at a profit margin of 55%. Isn't that crazy? We basically doubled our money on one sale. The next thing you can do for documentation reasons for yourself is go ahead and copy the order number from Amazon.com. So if the customer ever requests a refund, you can look back in your order section by referring the order number. Next, you want to go into the order status section and click on shipped, but there's different order statuses that you can use. By default, everything is pending, but you can have it as fulfilled with the tracking number pending or have the product shipped. Next, there's no case or anything, but you can add notes and everything else is set. So you just want to go ahead and save changes. So now once these changes are saved, you can see that our profit for this product was $22. It'll show up in the summaries right here. This is a new account, so the all-time profits were $22. So that is how to fulfill and manage your orders using FBM Fox. Hope you guys had a good time watching this video. We'll see you guys in the next one where we'll go over more TikTok content. Have a good one. Bye.